Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Body segment, we talked about the structure of the nervous system of the human body. In today's episode, we will talk about its functions and see a few tips to maintain its good health. First, let us talk about the functions. There are three main functions of the nervous system. They are the sensory function, the integration function, and the motor function. First, the sensory function. Sensory functions involve first, collecting information from sensory receptors that monitor body's internal and external conditions. Second, passing on these signals to the central nervous system for further processing by sensory neurons and nerves. Second, the integration function. Integration function involves first, processing the sensory signals that are passed on to the central nervous system at any given time. Second, evaluation and comparison of sensory signals, using them for decision making and discarding or committing to memory as deemed appropriate. This twofold task of integration takes place in the gray matter of the brain and the spinal cord, and it is carried out by interneurons. They work together and form complex networks that provide this processing power, leading to integration. Third, the motor function. The motor function involves first the networks of interneurons in the central nervous system, evaluate sensory information, decide on action, and stimulate motor neurons. Second, motor neurons carry signals from the gray matter of the central nervous system through the nerves of the peripheral nervous system to effector cells such as smooth, cardiac, or skeletal muscle tissue or glandular tissue. Third, the effector cells then release a hormone or moves a part of the body to respond to the stimulus. Thus, the above said functions help the nervous system to perceive information from inside the body and or from external environment so as to determine how the body responds to any changes. For example, when your finger pricks on a needle, your body will immediately pull your finger away in direct response to a painful stimulus. Functioning in this manner, the nervous system regulates the basic bodily functions such as breathing, blood pressure, digestion, and the control of body temperature. When the nervous system does not function as it should, it results in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. A few tips to maintain a healthy nervous system. First, exercise your brain regularly. Putting your brain to work through smart activities such as crossword puzzle can activate your nervous system. Second, get sufficient sleep. Giving your body enough sleep at regular times helps to maintain a healthy nervous system. Third, being in the sunlight every morning for about 10 minutes boosts the functioning of the nervous system, besides giving you the needed vitamin D. Fourth, meditate daily. Meditation calms and soothes your nerves, besides helping you to regulate heart rate, blood pressure, breathing rate, and calming, especially the sympathetic nerves. Fifth, walking barefoot. Researchers show that walking barefoot and connecting the body to earth is very beneficial to the health of the nerves. Sixth, maintain a healthy diet. Foods such as salmon, cauliflower, sardines, sprouts, almonds, dark chocolates, brown rice, beans, potatoes, bananas, eggs, and green tea are said to be good for the nervous system. Other than the ones above, intake of sufficient water, regular physical exercise, taking right amount of healthy fats, avoiding smoking and excessive intake of caffeine and alcohol also help you to maintain a healthy nervous system. This is the amazing story of the nervous system. One cannot but wonder at this marvel. Let us take time to reflect on the beautiful design of the nervous system of our body. Let an attitude of gratitude dwell from within and make us treat our bodies gracefully. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.